start by hearing about your journey. How did you actually transition from struggling with placements to securing a role in AI within just 3 months?
Yeah, thank you so much, Roni, for inviting me, and I will be really happy to share my experience, which can be help many people. So maybe I can start with a background story. So during my bachelor's, it was a Tier 3 college, Jabalpur Engineering College. I did my BTech in EC, but at that time I was not able to speak in English as my schooling was in Hindi medium. And at the same time, I was not having any coding background as my branch was EC. So no company was interested to hire me. Even a single written test examination I couldn't pass. Single interview I couldn't selected. So at that time I was really depressed. I was not knowing what to do now. But somehow I got to know that I can give a GATE examination. I appeared for the GATE examination. I got 99.6 percentile within one shot, which was really good scores. Why that? I can get any IIT or IISc college. So with that rank, like some of my seniors suggested me to take admission in AI program. So I thought, okay, that will be the best decision by seeing the AI job market. And I took the admission at IISc Bangalore. IISc is the best research institute of India. At at one place I was happy, like because I will be doing from IISc Bangalore. But at the same time, I was very scared and very sad because now I need to move to Bangalore. I don't know how to speak in English. I don't know the coding background, and I also don't know what exactly AI/ML is. So for me, like it was a worse situation, but somehow like I need to do it. So what I did, when you are very much scared, you will start seeking the guidance. You are seeking the mentorship from the people. So same I have done. I have connected with many seniors from ISC, many people from the industry who are working in AI, and I asked them, how can I become a AI/ML engineer in some company? Why is how company can hire me? Can you share the roadmap? So like I just done whatever my seniors suggested me, and as a result, what I did, I completed whole of my syllabus before joining to ISC itself. Because after the counseling to just going to ISC, there was a 2.2 months gap, 3 months gap. So I prepared everything so well, and I just took the admission at ISC. So after 3 months, company came, and I got the first student who got placement within like first company itself, and that too a very good package. I was not even expecting that package, and I become a second topper of my class also at that time. Apart from that, like I have published an international research paper also in London, like which is not expected from master's student, but because I got a admission, or because I just got a placement in very short time, so I was able to focus more on the research. So I am really having a good experience there, and I am so happy that I got that opportunity. Yeah, thanks, Ron.
Shivam, I must tell you that this story is extremely, extremely inspiring. I'm sure a whole lot of, aspiring professionals out there who are listening to you are definitely looking forward to have a career like you. So to help them, if you can just break this down to steps, like aspiring professionals, what are the steps that they could probably take to break into the field that you have and the way you have excelled. So, like probably top three steps that people could probably take away from you.
Yeah. So first I need to tell everyone there, because everyone is running behind AI ML. Everyone want to get a job because seeing the job scenario and boom of AI. But what everyone is doing, they are doing some random ML course from YouTube or some random video they are watching, and they are just saying, "Lao job do, give me the job." That is not the way to get a job in AI ML domain. If it is that too easy, then everyone will pass the 12th exam and they'll do that random ML course and will say, give me the job. This is the biggest myth everyone is having out there. Even I am interacting with so many people. I felt that they are not having a proper roadmap, and the getting into AI ML job is completely different, because people think that if you want to get job in AI ML, you need to learn ML. But before that, what happened? You really need to understand the basics. If you're directly learning ML, it means you are just giving the 12th class exam without passing 5th, 6th, 7th class exam. So that is what I put more focus in my preparation journey. So when I look into the industry, what they are looking for, they are looking someone who is having very basic understanding. So like for basics, if I want to say in machine learning model, there are some input and there are some output. ML architecture is black box. So if you really wanted to do something in ML space, you should be having a good understanding of the data set or that input part that is coming from the linear algebra concepts. So I have the experience of many companies. Every company start with the linear algebra itself, and many people just avoid the linear algebra. And second part is that output of the machine learning model, that is probability and statistics. So that is also very much important topic. And even if I have the choice, some student is having linear algebra and probability knowledge, and someone is having only machine learning. I will definitely prefer someone who is having linear algebra and probability. So that is the something. If you will implement these two topics in your in your preparation journey, then you will be ahead of 90% of the people. So that competition will be definitely cut it short. Because if you wanted to do some research, you should be having the understanding of input and output. So if I want to say linear algebra, probability, and to optimize machine learning model, you should be having the optimization skills. And then definitely machine learning and some coding background. That is more than enough to get a good job in ML space.
I think that's truly beneficial. I think you're definitely talking out of experience out there. A lot of students today get confused between a certificate and a certification. So people think that by paying, a very small amount to any learning companies, they will, like the way you said, they will be able to achieve a big job. But that's not true. As you have got yourself you've got a certification. Likewise, I think everybody needs to upgrade themselves with a very serious certification program. I'm with you on that, Shivam.